Alright, so with my handy dandy little Harbor Freight pick tool, I was able to use my superhuman strength and press this sucker here and get the pick tool in on the sides ever so slightly, helping me raise it up just a little tiny, like, you know, sometimes it gets a little jerky. Also, like men, you gotta give them a little persuasion, just a teeny tiny pick. Hey buddy, you wanna put some deodorant on? Psh, psh. Hey buddy, you wanna eat some salad? You look like you're gaining a little few little pounds there. Chick chick chick, chick chick chick. Don't look like Usher anymore. Stuff like that. Little tiny pick, just a tiny little pick, and then everything is all smooth after that. They stop behaving all jerky. Anyway, so I got that off, and I want to take these out, this off, this clamp off, that clamp off, these clamps down before I do anything, because when I remove any one of those punks, there's gonna be like a big old flow of coolant coming out. And yeah, I got something to catch it, but dang, you know, I want that coolant to stay inside my engine, not inside my oil pan, you know what I mean? I have another container of coolant, so it's not a big issue, but still, why spend more money than necessary, right? Okay, let me see what I'm gonna do, okay?